Hello everybody, AJ Ryzik here, and got another quick tutorial for you today. For those of you that know me, you know that I like keyboard launchers, and there's a lot available out there. There's Gnome, there is Synapse, there's Synapse Indicator, and like I said, there's a whole bunch of them out there. There's one that is in development right now called Albert, and I'm going to show you how to install that. You can give it a try, see if you like it. Um, if you're a keyboard kind of person like I am and like to launch everything from the keyboard, I think you might like this. So let's go and we will open up our terminal. And don't worry, I will leave all of these terminal commands down in the show description, so you don't have to try to pay attention to what I'm writing here. Alright, so let's put in that PPA, and Web Update is the site that has they maintain the PPA. And if you've never been to Web Update, very good resource for anything Ubuntu related. They usually have news, and they maintain some PPAs for stuff like this, some themes. Definitely a website to keep up on. Another one is OMG Ubuntu, and then also for theming, Noobs Lab. Uh, Noobs Lab probably has the best PPAs for theming, icons, that kind of thing. So anyway, we put all this stuff in the terminal, let it do its thing, and then we will fire up Albert so we can take a look and see what it looks like. I gotta set the hotkey for it because I bet it's because I already have used that particular, whatever their default hotkey is. So let's go and we'll do. Yeah, I think I've already used that one. So let's try. There we go. Okay, and while I've got the settings open, you can see what we got here. You set what you want your hotkey to be, maximum history. Got a variety of themes. I've got their standard, pinboard, and Android here. Okay, and come over to modules. You can see what we got for modules. So it looks like you got a pretty big variety of settings that you can make. As far as the web searching, you can see what what they've got so far for web searches, but you can add more and remove some and all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool. Calculator, what indexes it searches, bookmark index. So that's pretty cool. There's a pretty big variety of stuff there on what on setting it up. So let's see how it works there. Okay, so there is the standard look. So let's just open LibreOffice, and you can see you type it in and it gives you a list of all of the LibreOffice programs, so you can just kind of scroll through there, and then continuing down it starts searching my files for anything labeled LibreOffice. So that's pretty cool. Clicking the escape button closes it up. Okay, I had to pause the video for a second because the dogs went ballistic when FedEx pulled down the driveway. There are 2 German Shepherds and a Great Pyrenees in this house, so I've got a real good warning system anytime somebody pulls down our driveway. Anyway, back to work at hand. Anyway, okay, let's open this up. Here's our default theme again, and if you click up in this little box here in the corner, you can open up the settings again, and just kind of looking at the other themes. They're not all that different. I mean, basically we're just looking at color differences here. Go to the Android. Yeah, Android's green. Personally, I will stick with the standard. Looks best to me, but I mean, really, That's not what I wanted to open. There we go. Anyway, you know, it doesn't have to look, you know, super pretty or anything, or, you know, lots of eye candy. It's very simple, functional. You know, kind of keeping an eye on my RAM here. I'm using, you know, maybe 100 megs of RAM is what it's using up. So, I mean, you know, very light on the resources for a little search bar there. So, um, you know, definitely, yeah, especially if you compare it to like the Unity search, which just is you know, a memory hog. You know, you know, don't use Unity, use this thing. And anyway, I'm liking that. Anyway, so I will throw a link up to my previous video showing some of my older. I've got an older video show some of the other quick launchers that are available. There's, like I said, there's Gnome, there's Synapse, there's one called Synapse Indicator, which it sits up on your top bar, or you can put it on a, you know, a bottom panel, however you wanted to do that. But like I said, there's a bunch of other launchers out there. I mainly put this one on just because it's new. I wanted to see what it's all about, see how well it works and all that kind of thing. So anyway, give us a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. As always, questions, comments, all that kind of stuff, leave that down below, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.